In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the table background color inside Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. Before going to start this tutorial, I am to tell you one thing. You cannot directly change the table background color in Apple numbers, but there is the option you can do. I will show you two techniques to change the background color. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is on sample table inside Apple numbers. I just clicked here to select the table, and here we see the header and row number is appeared. Now hold Command key and A key all together. The entire table will be selected and you will see a square border like thing, and this too will be highlighted. When the entire table will be selected, you can easily find whether it is selected properly or not by dragging this thing. If you can drag totally, that means your whole table is selected. Now we have to change the background color, right? So come to the format section. If the sidebar is not visible, just click here. It will be enabled like this way. Now there are a couple of tabs that there: text, cell, and so many things. Our goal is to change the background color, right? Just click cell and it will bring us this panel. Here we will see fill color. Just click here, choose any color, or directly click here. It will bring us this option. Now take a color and see it applied with the table background. If you don't like the color of this background, we have millions of choices to choose a color. Just come here, you'll find a color circle. Click over there, it will bring this panel. From here, you have different options to choose. I'm going to use this round shape, this circle, and from here I want to pick one color. For example, I want to pick a color like this color, and that's fine. Now close it, and there you go. Your table background set is complete. I mean, background color you can easily change in this way. This is one approach. So there is another approach also. I'm going to show you that one. So this is the second approach I'm going to show you. So this is on table. So before doing any modification, at first we need to add a shape. I'm going to click shape. I just clicked over there and it is bringing this type of menu. From here I'm going to access basic and I'm going to use on rectangle. Just click here and the rectangle will be there. Now use this rectangle to cover the entire table. So I'm going to cover the entire table by dragging this small square like this and this. So now it's completely filled color, right? So what we need to do? We just need to come to the format section again, and then we have to go style section. There is fill section, right? We just need to click here, and now we need to choose a color. For example, this one. If we don't happy, we can also expand this and we can choose different color. Like for example, I'm going to use, like this time I'm going to use a light yellow color, for example this one. And now close this window. We don't need this format section anymore. Now right click on top of the shape. It will bring us this menu. Choose this option, send to back. I'm going to click here and that will be set to the back, and that's it. Your table background color has been changed. And these are the two approaches you can use to change the table background color in Apple numbers.